A working capital loan largely refers to non-traditional business funding. A lot of working capital loans are based on receivables, your future receivables, so they will calculate and base the loan off what your monthly bank statements look like, what your gross monthly earnings are. Or you can even do what's called invoice factoring, which is a form of working capital, which if you're a trucker, since we were talking about trucking earlier, if you're a trucker, you can turn in all of your bill of ladings that you're waiting to get paid on from the brokers and the companies you work with. You can turn it into an invoice factoring company, and then for a fee, they'll advance you the money. A credit line is much different than a working capital loan. A credit line is a credit line. It's an extension of credit, whether it be a credit line with a credit limit, a revolving line of credit, where you get a certain amount of money for a certain time, and once that maturity date comes, you must pay it back, or even a standard loan is still considered, in our eyes, a credit line. And the reason being is that it's still a form of funding, and it's still a monthly payment. Another thing about working capital loans is they don't always come with a monthly payment. They could be a daily payment, an every other day payment, a weekly or a bi-weekly payment. So it's a lot different the way that they structure the loans.
Yeah, and a working capital loan, you probably want to use that for more of your daily operation expenses. That's not really there for you to purchase like long-term assets for your business. Working capital loan, you're probably going to use to hire employees, accounts receivables, things like that. So that's typically what you want to use a working capital loan for. And line of credit, those are awesome. I mean, they're kind of similar to, a revolving credit card or home equity line of credit, where you have a set amount that you're approved for, and you don't have to start paying on it until you use it. So those are some of the benefits of a line of credit versus a working capital.